Welcome to Lesson 69. Today we'll learn how to organize Rust code into modules. As your Tauri app grows, keeping everything in lib.rs becomes messy. Let's fix that with proper module structure. Let's verify our development environment. Checking Rust and cargo versions. Now checking Node.js and npm. Everything is ready. Let's begin. Let's create a new Tauri project for our demo. Navigating to the Tauri projects folder. Creating modular app with the React TypeScript template. Accepting the default bundle identifier. Project scaffold created successfully. Now installing npm dependencies. Dependencies installed. Let's look at the structure. First, let's see the wrong way to organize code. Opening lib.rs in neovim. We'll add all our code directly to this single file. Starting with src and fs imports. Adding a user struct with serialize and deserialize. Now the user management commands section. Get user returns a user by ID. Create user makes a new user. List users returns all users. Now file operation commands. Read file, write file, and list files. Adding utility functions. Finally, the Tauri builder setup. This file is getting hard to navigate. Imagine adding more features. Now let's organize this with proper Rust modules. Creating a commands directory. Looking at the new structure. Let's create models.rs for shared data structures. Adding the user struct with pub visibility. The pub keyword makes it accessible from other modules. Now creating user commands.rs. Importing user from our create.s models module. Each function uses pub.fn for public access. Get user, create user, and list users are defined. Creating file commands rs for file operations. Using std.fs for file system access. Read file uses fs, read to string. Write file uses fs, write. List files with iterator methods. The question mark handles errors elegantly. Now the key file, mod.rs. Mod declares the submodules. Pub use re-exports for easy imports. This is the essential pattern for directory modules. Our modular structure is complete. Finally, let us update lib.rs. Opening lib.rs in neovim. Declaring our modules with mod keyword. Mod commands for the directory module. Mod models for the models file. Importing functions with use commands. Setting up the Tauri builder. Registering commands and invoke handler. Look how clean lib.rs is now. Running cargo check to verify. Let us recap what we learned. The mod keyword declares modules. Each .rs file is automatically a module. Mod.rs defines directory modules. Pub use re-exports items for easier imports. Pub.fn makes functions public. Pub struct makes structs accessible. This pattern scales well for large apps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.